Okay, we'll get started here in a couple minutes. All right, everybody. It is 1:30 Central Time. Hope everybody's doing well. Wanted to pop on here. It's been a good trading week so far for me and the team. Hope everyone is doing well. Let me make sure I turn my phone down so I don't myself. So I wanted to do another video. For those that are seeing it in my group, perfect. Okay, looks like we're good to go. For those that might see it on my YouTube, etc., if you like the content, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Please subscribe, hit that bell for more great content. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in joining our team, if you're seeing this on YouTube, links and all kinds of information to reach me, to gain access if you're in the group, just look up. There's a pinned video to get started. I know a couple of people have already asked today. So what I've been doing the last few days is the top 10 questions that I get when folks are reaching out about trading to me. So I have done 10, 9, 8, 7, or today's 7. No, I think now is 6. All right, I got to count. So today's question is, what do I trade? Or I'm sorry, when do I trade? Okay. Now, I've been doing this, for those that are just seeing this for the first time. I've been a trader 6.5 years. Been making money online for 25 years. And I never understood the question. I get it, especially if you're new, but I almost think that sometimes people want to trade at the exact time I trade, is what I'm thinking with the question. When do I trade? Well, first of all, it's going to be different for everybody based on their lives, jobs, etc. Okay? When they're available. They could have families, they could work nights, etc. The beauty about the markets is it is 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and crypto is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I never know how to answer this question because I want to almost tell folks it doesn't matter. Hey, Trevor, good to see you. Hey, Neil. It doesn't matter when I trade, okay? You just have to set out time for you to trade. It has no bearing on when I trade. Right? I never understood the question why people ask. Now, I'm going to tell you my answer. I'll trade at all times when there's an opportunity. But a lot of people, they have a set amount of time, right? They have jobs. I'm looking for right before the New York session, etc. Then I got to get to work, okay? And some people are the next session after dinner time, 5, 6 o'clock. Some people are working overnights, they can trade during the day. So everybody's individual situation is different. Trade when you can trade, right? There's no set time. You're not getting any value from asking me when I trade, because when I trade, I'll trade any session, all times, except generally 2 in the morning to about 4:30 in the morning, right? Depends on how I'm sleeping, if I'm up late, if I'm watching a couple pairs, etc., right? The key part is if you have a full-time job, right, and many people that join our community do, and if you have family, wife, all those types of things, have a set time that you're going to look at the charts, okay? And that could be an hour and a half, 3 days a week. Great. It's fine. It's not about how many trades you take. It's about the quality of the trades that you take, okay? So for those that are members of the team for Impulse Scanner, the worst times, I'm going to go worst to first, the worst time on the Impulse Scanner, you can trade at any time, is when spreads widen, when one session's going to the next session, right? So for me, it's, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, right? Maybe 4:30 to 6 until the next session, okay? For others, it could be something different. So for impulse, and this goes for any strategy, impulse scanner, smart money, it could be the scalping, it could be the fair value gap, it could be it doesn't matter. The best time, obviously, is the first few hours of the session when there's more volume. But with the scalping strategy, I've seen trades at, it's 1:30 now. I bet I could find a trade if I log in and check the impulse scanner. So it's not about what time I trade. That has no bearing on when you will trade. And I almost think folks get it in their head. I want to trade at the exact times Jeff trades. Okay? Well, and there probably are people that are, for sure. So I have traded early in the morning before the sun's out. I traded late morning after New York opens. I traded early afternoon. I traded after dinner time. I've traded all times. So the best advice that I can give you is you make sure you set up a time that's convenient for you to trade the markets, right? I have people that 90 minutes before they go to work, that's their time, right? I have people 90 minutes after they get home from work. Perfect, okay? Or I have people that work the overnight shift and they have 9:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. before they go to work at midnight. So the key part is it does not matter when I trade. It's not even a question I would ask. I never ask, what time do you trade? Trade what's convenient for you. That's all. And be consistent, right? Sometimes people get busy in life. Oh, okay, I'll look at the charts tomorrow. I got to look at the charts the next day. Be consistent. Maybe it's twice a week, Tuesday, Thursday. Maybe it's Monday, Wednesday. Maybe you can get on the chart for 45 minutes every day. Perfect. Whatever works for you, right? When I trade, doesn't work for you always, okay? So it's just a question that I've gotten over 6.5 years, and I'm still kind of stumped as to why they ask, right? I don't know if they're trying to think about mirror my trades. Maybe, I don't know. But trade when's convenient for you. Lock down a time that you're going to look at the charts, whether it's the impulse scanner, the charts, etc., and identify potential opportunities, right? You can set alarms and go on with your day, okay? That's it. Short but sweet, all right? If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you're seeing it on YouTube, all that good stuff, subscribe. You know what I mean, right? If you're in my group and you're ready to join us, pin video at the top or send me a message, okay? Tomorrow will be the 5th. I do when I'm waiting for concrete. Yeah, Trevor's a perfect example, right? Trevor's perfect. Let me, before I get off, Trevor, absolutely. Whatever's the best option for you to trade, right? The one thing that I don't allow folks to tell me without pushback is an excuse. And folks that know me, Trevor, Neil, no excuse zone. Don't want to hear it. There's time to trade. You just have to prioritize, okay? There's always a time to get trades. Remember, scalping, you might have more trades, but the other couple strategies, not necessarily. You're looking for high-quality trades, period. That's it. Okay? All right? I appreciate you stopping by, brother. Neil, thanks for stopping by. Anybody who sees this recording, that's it. Tomorrow will be number 5. The top, let me say this again. The 5th most asked question I get. That is right. No excuses, brother. So tomorrow is the 5th most requested question I get for trading, that people are looking to trade. They know that I trade, and they ask that question. All right? Till tomorrow. See you, everybody. Take care.